Hey everyone, welcome to a scenic tour of Arrochar Parish Church, nestled in the charming village of Arrochar, Scotland. This beautiful church overlooks the stunning Loch Long and is framed by the majestic Arrochar Alps. Buckle up for a journey through its rich history and vibrant community life. Arrochar Parish Church is a true hidden gem with its beautiful stone exterior that fits perfectly into the gorgeous Scottish landscape. This church has been a beloved part of the community for many years, serving as a hub for worship, reflection, and gathering. Let's take a trip back in time. The current church building was completed in 1847. Designed to replace an older church that had outgrown its capacity. It's amazing to think about all the generations that have come here for comfort and community over the years. Step inside and you'll find a warm, welcoming space filled with beautiful stained glass windows. These colorful windows light up the interior, creating a peaceful and spiritual atmosphere. They're not just pretty to look at. Each one tells a unique story. Check out these intricate stained glass windows. They're like pieces of art, depicting various biblical scenes. The craftsmanship is incredible and they add so much to the church beyond its beauty. Arrochar Parish Church is buzzing with community life. Every Sunday, locals and visitors come together for services. Afterwards, everyone gathers for tea, coffee, and a friendly chat, making it a great way to meet new people and catch up with friends. But wait, there's more. The church also hosts special events throughout the year, including weddings, baptisms, and community celebrations. These events showcase the church as a lively center for social and cultural activities. Situated by the scenic Loch Long and surrounded by the Arrochar Alps, the church is a magnet for photographers and nature lovers. It's a perfect spot for capturing stunning photos or just enjoying a peaceful retreat. Want to know more? Head over to their official website at arrocharparishchurch.org for all the details about their history, events, and how you can get involved. Whether you're a local or just visiting, there's always something happening here. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Arrochar Parish Church. This place is more than just a church. It's a cornerstone of the community and a piece of living history. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing journeys. Until next time, explore, dream, and discover.